Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Poppy from Rainbow High Dolls. So let's get started. To draw cute Poppy, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And come right next to it, say about right here, and draw another circle. So now that my circle's in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So come in here with two smaller circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Now that my eye's in, let's come over here on the edge and we're going to spruce them up with some lashes. So just draw one thick one and just make one here and another one here. So top and bottom, and then we can even add some on the sides right here. Maybe 3 of them, and same thing here. So nice long thick one, one more, and another one, and then some at the sides right here. Okay, so now that we have these eyes in, let's come to the top about right here, and we're going to draw a soft angle right over the eye, and let's thicken it up, and same thing here. And I will color that one later because it's not black, so do that on the computer and thicken it up. Then to draw her lips, right? So with these dolls, we're going to try to draw some lips. So find the easiest way is say about right here, right in the center. I'm just going to start with this curve right in the center. So that way I know that the lips are going to be nice and centered, and then I'm going to come out, slight curve going up, and then we're going to use that, come over here top towards my center with a curve, and then down. And then we're going to come in the center back, draw another curve right there, and then the bottom lips. So the bottom lips is just one big curve. There, so hopefully I made that easy. So you just want to kind of start in the center so you make sure that your lips are nice in the center. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and frame her face. So let's come to the top of her eye, right next to these lashes. I'll just give myself a point right here. And we're going to basically draw the bottom of a U. So we're going to come right next to her eyes. And I'll find my center, say about right here. I'll give myself a point, and then from there I'll go ahead and connect it. So I'll try to make it a little bit pointier for her face shape. So come towards that point, and then same thing here. So about right here, angle in a little bit more, and connect. Always a little bit more delicate, the face shape. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we're going to bring this up a little bit more. And so for Poppy here, her hair splits in the center. So I'm just going to imagine an oval. So let's just say about right here. I'll give myself a point right in the center, and I'm going to go up and connect. So same thing here. Go up and connect. There. Then from there we're going to pop this center up. We're going to come out a strand of hair, and then this part is going to come down. So let's just draw in this strand first. And out. So our center is right here. Go up nice and high, so say about right here. And this side we're going to go up and go up on the other side, nice and high. Then let's see here, before we finish that, let's come over here. We're going to draw another strand right here, and we have this part we need to pop in. So I'm going to come about right here where her brow is and go up and go up. So imagine this is coming down right in this area because she has this little butterfly stuff going on for her hair. And let's come back right here and finish this strand. Okay, so in this area, I'm going to stop, and if you're using a pencil, just connect it, but I'll stop, say right here. And I'm just going to give myself a little line. So this is going to be the center of my butterfly. And come out. So I'll just quickly just draw a very simplified Monarch Butterfly. So I can bring it in. There. So just simplify it, and then the edges are black. And quickly do that. And I know there's a bunch of lines that come in, so maybe I should do this later. But I just want to show you some details and bring this in. Okay, whatever space you have left. And then let's see here, we can add another strand right here. And you know what, let's do all her hair, most of her hair later before we get into trouble. So I'm just going to bring this part down this side so that we have her outfit in first. But there should be another strand about right here, just so we know what's going on. And let's work on her outfit now. So let's come to the center right here, and right in this area I'm just going to draw 2 slight angle lines for her neck. So it's at an angle, and then we're going to come out. From there, let's come back, and the reason there's this angle right here is because we need to draw her collar for her jacket. So I'm just going to add a curve right into that area. So let's bring this down a little bit more for her jacket, and let's come right back in here, and I'll skip a little bit space, kind of like where her armpit area would be. So let's bring this down to draw this little poofy green, jacket that she has, and about right there I'll draw a curve across for her waist, and let's bring this down. So let's finish off this jacket and round it off. There. Okay, so then her skirt's going to pop out right here. I know there's so many details, but I think that's why you want me to help you draw it, right? All the rainbow high dolls are so detailed. So I'm just trying to draw the details that are necessary. So right here, I'm just going to connect it with a curve for her skirt. And then let's come back right here. We're going to draw this wide V for her top, and then her legs. So let's come right here in the center. And I'll work on this leg first. So bring it all the way down. And go right here. Okay, so then about right here, I'm going to come out for her shoe and round it off. A little bit pointier. And then we're going to come down right here, add 2 angles, and connect for her heel. So same thing on the other side. There. Okay, nice long legs, right? And then for her top right here, for her arms, we're going to come right here and we're going to draw as if we're drawing a shoulder. So we're going to curve down. But here's the part where we're going to have to draw these curves for her sleeves. So I'm going to start with one. They're very poofy. So I'll bring it to about right here. So I just have in mind where I'm going. We're just going to come down. And so one more about right here and bring it in. So I'm just using her body to make it a little bit easier. And then we're just where we curve, we're just going to draw a light line across for these really poofy sleeves. So you could have done that with the jacket as well if you feel comfortable doing that. So let's do the same thing here now. So we want to aim towards this area once again. So just like the other side, 1, 2, 3, and then bring it in. So just notice it's slightly coming in and connect. Oops. So here and here. Okay, so then let's come into this area. We're going to draw these tiny little hands. So just a thumb and then fingers. So same thing here. Thumb. Then fingers. Okay, so then for her jacket right here, if you want to do that, let's see here. Come here, we're just going to draw some curves as well. So if you want to do that, you just pop it in right here. So as you're drawing, you just pop these out, just like her sleeves. If you feel comfortable doing that, then you can pop it out. And then let's see a detail. Right here, she has these stockings right here. So nice and high, about right here. And I'll just quickly draw in some graphics. So it's like the butterfly. Totally simplifying it. Whatever, just something to make it look like it without going to too much detail, right? Just want a little indication. So same thing here. Just quickly opposite. And I'm getting very sloppy because this video is taking forever, right? Hopefully hang in there, we're almost done. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw her hair. So let's finish up her hair. So let's come over here. We're going to draw this one strand. It comes down. One strand and some here. Let's come down here. Another strand. We just need to fill in this area. So I'm just trying to follow whatever I need to. So let's come over here, follow the original doll design. So let's say about right. Without getting too complicated with her hand, I'm just going to come right here, draw some curves. So let's do the same thing on this side. Let's change it up a little bit. So we're going to come down. You put in a strand right here, bring it up and come down. And we just want to bring it all into this area. There. Hopefully that wasn't too complicated. And then for some details in this area, like what's going on here, it's kind of, let's see, we're going to draw these curves. Because this part's bundled up. That's why there's a butterfly clip right here. So I just want to make it look like that with these lines. there. So hopefully that works. And we're just draw another curve over there. And that is pretty much it for this drawing of Poppy here from Rainbow High Dolls, the orange one. I really hope you love how she turned out just as much as all the other ones I've drawn so far. And if there's another doll you want me to draw from Rainbow High, let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved this and I helped you out today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.